diamond crystal salt pellets. With many of the similar properties of diamond bright and soft, these salt pellets are somewhat deceiving. Consumers are led to this product for the potassium chloride benefits, only to be concerned about using them in a more expensive water softening system. The packaging doesn't explicitly state that it's a potassium chloride based formula. Using a salt higher in price and much more efficient at cutting back brine accumulation in the water softening system, potassium chloride based water softening products are a recommended, healthier alternative for hard water issues. For consumers concerned about daily sodium, salt intake, potassium chloride salt pellets are a go-to, but it doesn't come with a few drawbacks. It can end up costing 5 times more than running a sodium chloride based water softening system, and the system needs constant attention. And there is some deception about potassium chloride salt pellets not containing any salt or being low in salt content. Whether using a sodium chloride or potassium chloride based salt pellet, both products are introducing some sodium into the water used for drinking, bathing, and running appliances. Here are some pros. Health benefits, unique and specially formulated. And here are some cons. Can cost up to 5 times more than sodium-based water softening pellets. Must use 3 times more product. Doesn't remove chlorine from the water. Require an additional costly filtration system.